What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are on the way to an accident. What we got, alright, so what dispatch told me is single vehicle accident. They hit a tree, car caught on fire. So that's going to be pretty fun. Dealing with a snaps truck. I really wish I had a rollback for something like this. But regardless, I'm going to get the job done because that's what I do. So I will see y'all once we get there on scene. Alright, so we should be pulling up on it any second now. At least according to the GPS I should be. I'm not seeing any. Oh, there we are. So, the person got transported to the hospital. Hopefully they'll be okay and pulled through. Officer thinks it was some kind of medical emergency that caused the wreck. No fatality though, but otherwise, I mean, I wouldn't have posted it if it was a fatal. And that's why I took the camera off before I walked up there, because you just never know. I wonder what they're going after.
What you needed from me moving my car?
Nah, you should be good, man.
Okay.
All right. So do a nice little pinch. Well, not so nice and elegant of a pinch. For this one, let's just get it onto the road, onto some flat ground. All right, let's see what we're working with. get into it. Gloves in here.
There you go, appreciate it.
All right, yes sir, you have a good one.
Yeah, I mean, well, we're 29 years old, so I don't mind a
And they came flying around there. All right, man, you have a good one.
Appreciate it.
Alrighty, and off we go. Definitely need to do some work cleaning out my boxes a little bit. But as always, thank y'all for watching. If you enjoyed, leave a like and subscribe. I'd also ask if you are religious, prayers for the person involved and their family. I'm sure this is a very, difficult and scary thing to tell, especially, the car catching on fire too. So anyway, I'll catch y'all on the next one.